of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Somnath visit was a spiritual spectacle like never before. The chants of Har Har Mahadev echoed across Gujarat's coastline as Somnath became the centre of India's spiritual resurgence. Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived at the sacred Somnath temple to participate in the Somnath Swabhiman Parv, a powerful commemoration marking 1,000 years of faith, resilience and India's civilizational spirit. On the first day of his two-day visit, he offered prayers at the first Jyotirling and joined the 72-hour-long Omkar chanting. The temple complex then lit up in a drone show that illuminated the night sky. Today, the Prime Minister will lead the Shaurya Yatra, a symbolic procession of 108 horses honouring the warriors who defended the shrine of Lord Shiv before addressing a public gathering in Somnath. From sacred chants to soaring lights, the celebrations continue and Somnath stands as a symbol of faith and resilience for the entire nation.
पहला तो खंडित कर दिया था, आज मोदी साहब है, वो बहुत बढ़िया बनाया मंदिर, हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा है, बार बार आते हैं।
लोगों ने यहाँ आकर जो है ना हमारे इस पवित्र सनातन के मंदिर को तोड़ने का दुस्साहस किया और उस समय से लेकर 1991 तक जब तक इनका दोबारा जीर्णोद्धार न हुआ तब तक बड़ी मन में ग्लानि थी सभी सनातनियों को और आज इसकी ऐतिहासिक भव्यता और दिव्यता देखकर हम सभी सनातनी प्रसन्न है।
And my colleague Piyush Mishra is now joining us from Somnath. Piyush, a very good morning to you. A historic day today in Somnath at the Somnath temple. Tell us about the current atmosphere over there and the preparations that are underway.
Well, any minute from now, Anjali, what you are told is that the Shaurya Yatra is going to begin, and before that, thousands of students from various Sanskrit Mahavidyalayas of Gujarat have come here at this very juncture in Somnath, which is also known as Somnath Circle. And here we can see as to how thousands of students of Sanskrit Mahavidyalaya have come here. Before I go to them, let me also try to get in a word from people who are leading this entire delegation. क्या नाम हो आपका?
Sanjay Brahmbhatt from Sanskrit Mahavidyalaya, Brahmbhatt Sanskrit Nadiyad.
Okay.
And we have, all our students have come here in order to join this rally. This is a rally of valor, Shaurya rally. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, yesterday we met them, we saw them, they also joined us in Omkara. We felt so excited yesterday and today also the atmosphere is so wonderful. All the people are looking so happy. We are so excited to join again him.
What is the relevance of this Shaurya Yatra?
This is the history of 3,000 years and this is our tradition. We all are devotees of Lord Shiva and our Prime Minister also is a great devotee of Lord Shiva. So this program, many programs have been organized here and we are all enjoying all those programs.
So here you can see as to how people are enjoying the programs so they have been organized here. And here you can see as to how the devotees of Lord Shiva are chanting Har Har Mahadev, and they all have come from different parts of Gujarat, from different Mahavidyalayas, Sanskrit Mahavidyalaya, and they all are here to welcome you, Narendra Modi, as we also to join the Shaurya Yatra, which is going to begin in few minutes from now. What is message क्या है आप लोगों का? मैसेज क्या है शौर्य यात्रा का? क्या मैसेज आप लोग देना चाहते हैं?
हमारी पाठशाला श्री नर्मदा संस्कृत वेद पाठशाला भरूच गुजरात से आए और सभी ऋषि कुमार इस शौर्य यात्रा में शामिल हो रहे हैं। सभी लोग शंखनाद और डमरू के नाद शिव जी के विविध मंत्रों के उच्चारण द्वारा शिव जी को प्रसन्न करने और भारत भूमि के कल्याण के हेतु से ये सभी ऋषि कुमार आए हैं।
शौर्य यात्रा की शुरुआत से पहले कोई मंत्र अगर आप उच्चारण करके हमारे दर्शकों को पता होगा?
हाँ, अभी अवश्य शिव जी का मंत्रोच्चार हम सभी लोग करेंगे। हरि ओम। ओम
the devotees of Lord Shiva have come in large numbers. Anjali, and they all are, chanting the mantras of Lord Shiva. They are here to welcome Narendra Modi, and you can see all the positioning towards the very place from where the Shaurya Yatra is all set to begin. Remember that today is the second day of Narendra Modi's visit to the state of Gujarat, and especially in Somnath, where he has come to take part in Somnath Shaurya Divas. And in that Somnath Swabhiman Divas, multiple programs have organized. Yesterday, Prime Minister had, taken part in a 72-hour-long Omkar job. Today, he is going to take part in a special prayer. But before that, the Shaurya Yatra will take place. And before the beginning of Shaurya Yatra, we are already seeing how Shanknath Damru is being sounded here by the thousands and thousands of devotees of Lord Shiva who have come from they are here to welcome King Narendra Modi. They are here to tell King Narendra Modi about the Shaurya, about the sacrifice, about the pillar which was shown by our ancestors in the past, as far as the laying of the life of the Somnath. So you can see as to how the kind of preparations those are now going on here. It was like the words of few more devotees. क्या नाम हुआ आपका, कहाँ से आया आपको?
चाणोद पाठशाला से आए हैं, श्रीमती अलका देवी संस्कृत महाविद्यालय।
अच्छा, क्या आज क्या संदेश आप लोग लेकर आए?
आज हम लोग नरेंद्र मोदी जी का जो कार्यक्रम है उसमें मंत्रोच्चार वगैरह करने के लिए आए हैं, और 3 दिन से 72 घंटे से ओमकार का नाच जो किया वो हम लोगों ने खूब आनंद पूर्वक किया, और उसमें हमें खूब ही आनंद आया है।
कहाँ से, अगर आप एक बार हमारे दर्शकों के लिए एक बार मंत्रोच्चार करके बता दें कि आप लोगों ने कैसे किया, अगर आप बता दें।
हरि ओम नमस्ते
Chanting of mantra today, it marks the beginning of Shaurya Yatra in Somnath, Anjali, and after the beginning of Shaurya Yatra, what we are told is that Narendra Modi will also be taking part in this, and this Shaurya Yatra is somewhere signifying the message which Prime Minister is trying to send to the people across the country, that yes, we are standing united to tell to the future generations about the sacrifice, about the valor, about the resilience, faith which was there in our society for the last thousands of years. Multiple times Somnath has been attacked, but we have shown our faith, and every time our temple was built much stronger. So here the Shanknath Damru is being sounded here at this very point from where right now I am reporting. On my right hand side I can also see another performance which is taking place, and in this performance we can see big drums those have been brought here by the devotees of Lord Shiva. And here you can see it is mentioned Somnath City का विभिन्न रूप पर श्री नरेंद्र मोदी का स्वागत है। So welcome King Narendra Modi. Thousands and thousands of devotees from the north of Gujarat have come here with one message, that yes, we are standing united to tell to the people of the nation about the sacrifice that have been done by our ancestors to
Absolutely, Piyush. So that's the kind of atmosphere that is in Somnath currently, Gir Somnath, ahead of the Shaurya Yatra. You can see the chants of Har Har Mahadev are echoing across Gir Somnath, and in fact, all you can hear are the Shanknaths and the Damru sounds. These rallies that are being taken out, the performances that we just witnessed. Piyush continues to stay with us, getting us all the latest action that's happening on the ground in Gir Somnath. Piyush, also help us understand the significance of these celebrations, the Shaurya Yatra, and what do these celebrations mean for the devotees and the locals over there?
Well, I think there's a lot of relevance of this celebration which is taking place in Somnath. People are actually, reminding about the faith, resilience, and the kind of spirit, the unbroken spirit which was shown by our ancestors in Somnath to ensure that the land is saved, the temple is saved, and whenever attack was faced by Somnath, we saw how it was saved by our ancestors. So that is the message which they want to tell to the people of country, to future generations, about the sacrifices those were done by our ancestors. And the kind of, why? Because in this Shaurya Yatra, around 108 horses will be participating, and these horses will be signifying the message of brother sacrifice. These horses will be highlighting the message of the trust, the unity, the spiritual unity of which was shown by thousands and thousands of people who laid down their lives to protect the land of Somnath. And that is why two committees have come here at this very point of very much near to Somnath temple, and the two kind of excitement, the kind of energy which is now here at this very juncture, at the point from where Narendra Modi is also to begin his Shaurya Yatra. After taking part in Shaurya Yatra, Prime Minister will also take part in special prayers which will take place at Somnath temple, and in these special prayers we will see thousands of people of Somnath taking part. After those special prayers, Prime Minister is also going to address a rally in which he will be talking to the people of Somnath. Most likely Prime Minister is going to focus about the message of sacrifice, the message of the valor, our cultural heritage, civilization heritage, spirituality which has been carried forward for the last more than 1,000 years. You would also remember, Anjali, that in his blog which Prime Minister had written, he had mentioned about the cultural heritage which has been carried forward for the last many years. He had also spoken out about the attack which had taken place 1,000 years back on Somnath temple, and that first attack was done by Mahmud of Ghazni. After that, multiple attacks have taken place, but despite multiple attacks, every time Indian civilization has stood much stronger. A message of unity was sent out every time, and that is what has been shown here also, that okay, if you want to invade, we will retaliate, we will give you back, and that is what the message the devotees also want to be sent out to every community, to every person in society that here that we are standing strong against all kind of attacks. You want to invade, we will give you back. That is the message which being sent out from this very place, from the land of Somnath. Multiple times Somnath has faced attack, but every time we have stood stronger, and that is called Sanatan, and that is the